Hey guys, it's Jordanbikes. Today we've got for sale this absolutely beastie Kawasaki Ninja H2. Look at it, it's an absolute weapon is this thing. Claimed 210 brake horsepower by Kawasaki at rear wheel. Supercharged monster is this thing. So it's a 2018 on an 18 plate. It was new on the 26th of May 18, so it's just short of, or just over 7 weeks old. 919 miles it's done. Funky bike. Show you dash because it's absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, 919 miles, which is nothing at all. ABS, traction, power modes. It's got an all-in steering damper as standard. Brembos, all-ins rear shock. The last owners put the Akrapovic exhaust on it. Tail tidy. It's been venture shielded as well, so you'll keep it absolutely pristine. And it's got a bike tracker on it, so if it does go missing, which hopefully it doesn't, you'll be able to know where it is. Give it a quick fire up for you. It's an absolute monster is this thing. So, what are you waiting for? Get yourself down to Jordanbikes and get it bought. I'll see you very soon.
Hi, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and once it's done, we will give you a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We also offer finance and PCPs, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. If you like what you've seen, give us a ring and get it bought. Thank you.